How to replace the rear oil seal. Watch this video completely to get started. Turning the bolt counterclockwise to disassemble the flywheel. Once all bolts are loose, remove them completely by hand. Now the flywheel bolt's removed, so the flywheel is now free from the crankshaft. Mounting plate secured with 3 or more bolts around its perimeter. Remove that bolt. And mounting plate is released. You can see engine oil is leaking from here. That's the issue to resolve, so we are going to change rear crankshaft oil seal, position to prevent engine oil leakage. Now we remove that expired oil seal. First of all, clean the surface and clean well the oil seal fitting space by clothes piece or anything else which you have to clean. We use new rear oil seal and see carefully. I am going to assemble the oil seal. You can use silicone layer around oil seal. Now seal is replaced. Assemble the mounted plate again by rotating the bolt clockwise. Assembling the flywheel by rotating 6 bolt. After that we assemble the clutch plate and pressure plate. Let's see how it's assembled. Like and subscribe channel for more informative videos. Stay tuned.